Hello everyone, codsoft here. Today I'll show you a quick tutorial for how to implement an Android Studio monochrome icon. As you can see on this device, all icons are controlled by the theme, except for my app. First, open your application's logo in your favorite image editor. What you want to do is make a black layer of your image logo, the rest leave it transparent. Now save your logo as a PNG. Now go to the bitmap folder in your app's resource directory, right-click and pick New Image Asset. With Launcher icon selected, I suggest to name your icon IC Launcher Monochrome Icon and the foreground IC Launcher Monochrome. Make sure that foreground path points to your picture. The background you can set it to a single color, but it's not needed as we're going to delete it anyways. Now delete every newly created folder except IC Launcher Monochrome, which is the foreground of the icon. In both of the IC Launcher and IC Launcher round XML files, add a new monochrome tag and make it point to IC Launcher Monochrome, which is the icon we just created. Copy and paste this. Now compile and run the application, and there it is. Now on the launcher, if you have adaptive icons enabled, the newly created monochrome icon will show. Well, there it is. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry about the terrible mic quality. I don't know how to fix it right now. I'll try it in the future. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.